Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you own Hollow Knight and have the latest patch. This ensures DLC compatibility. Once done, verify your game files or enable automatic updates so downloadable content can be detected. Make sure to back up your save file or enable cloud saves. That prevents progress loss if something goes wrong. Now launch the game to reach the main menu and proceed to platform-specific steps. Don't skip verification, because DLC checks are version-dependent and can silently fail. You now follow platform-specific actions to enable the DLC. On Steam, open Library, select the game, and enable the DLC under the property's DLC tab. Restart Steam if it doesn't appear. On console, open the store page for the DLC and confirm it shows as purchased or downloaded. Restart the system to refresh licenses. If you use mods, use a reliable mod manager and apply only DLC-compatible patches. Keep backups because mods can alter save structure and block official. You finish by launching the game and confirming the DLC content appears. New menu entries, areas, or items should be visible. Once done, test access by reaching a DLC-specific location or checking related achievements to prove it's active. If the content is missing, make sure to refresh licenses, verify game files, or reinstall the DLC. Likewise, restore your backup save if corrupt. One key troubleshooting tip: always reboot the platform after purchase to force a license update. That resolves most detection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.